If this is you with your kid trying to cut their nails and they don't want a bar of it, I've accidentally figured out the best way to clip nails so you don't hurt little fingers. So if you normally clip nails with the palms face down and the clipper facing away from you, and you can't really see where that clipper is biting, this is what I suggest, and this is like magic. You get them to put their elbow on a table and rest it, and have their palm of their hand facing themselves, and you're sitting opposite them, so the back of their hand is facing you, and then you use the clippers pointing downwards with the spring trigger facing you, so to speak. First off, you can see the actual free edge of the nails this way because it's held up more to the light, so that's easier. And secondly, the curve of the nail clippers is easy to see also this way. You can see exactly how far down you're getting to where the nail plate connects with the nail bed, and then there's that free edge that goes. I think it's more about visibility. I think it's really just seems to be a really easy way to clip the nails because you can see exactly how far to go down, and the person you're clippering can't really see from the angle of the top how far you're going, which I think causes a lot of, you know, the fear that, oh, you're going to clip me. Good stuff. One. I will be your thumb. Okay. Great. That's great. So this is just a simple tip that I've figured out is the best way to clip somebody else's nails. In particular, I think it's great for children. It's just made the job way easier. The access to the nails, the visibility to the nails, and the comfortability for everyone all around. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. Nice bit. There you go. Maybe this will help some people out there that find clipping other people's nails quite a mission. Hopefully this could make that job a little bit more simpler. Give it a go though, see what you think. Don't forget to hit like and give me a comment below. I always do my best to reply. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.